The world wants you soft and easy to break. Stop letting them tame you. Wake up!
You must develop the capacity to be formidable, to become a monster, and then possess the supreme discipline to control it.
Take your pain, take the disrespect, take every ounce of hardship, and convert that raw energy into productive domination.
Stop waiting to feel good before you work. A true professional hunts whether he feels like it or not. Every single morning when the sun rises, it is hunting season. If you don't hunt, your vision dies. Everyone talks about wanting the upgrade, but nobody wants to pay the price when the alarms go off in the dark.
You must callous your mind through the hard choices. If it rains, if it hurts, if it's uncomfortable, that is where you must go.
If you choose what is easy, your life will be hard. But if you choose what is hard, your life will become extraordinary. Impose your will. Take the hard path. Become the beast they cannot break.
Master your mind, conquer the beast within, and rise to the top. Subscribe to Mind's Atelier for your daily fuel.